Okay. Chalk. Y mostrar que esto es metal. Metal. Yeah, it has to be metal. Okay, casting metal. Metal. The screws, I don't know what size, but the socket range is, I cannot see that. I'm blind. Oh, 14 millimeters. It's a 14 millimeters socket, 3/8 socket. Okay, so 14. Should not much torque. Okay, a little bit, not much. Little bit. Working in the army as a AC mechanic really helped me out. Not much torque. We don't want to break it. Just maybe a few pounds of torque. Not that much. Let me see. That'll work. That's fine. We got 3 points of support. I think we can put this the base. I think some people say that it's full of oil, so let me get a rag or it has some oil. It's really well lubricated. It's on 0, right? I hope it's on 0. It doesn't look like it's on 0. Move the camera up there, right here, my friend. I'll put this over here. Oh my Lord Jesus Christ! I gotta make the video. It's easier to install the chuck right now before you put it here, because I saw so many videos of people installing the chuck right there. That's the chuck. Installing the chuck after they put this unit right here on the pipe. So the correct way for me is to place the chuck here before you put it there, so it will be a lot easier. So let me see the chuck. I hope it's not full of oil, because it needs to be clean before you install it there. It's full of oil. Let me see. Not that much. It's kind of dry. Yeah, I can use a smaller drill bit right here, no problem. Yeah. Now that the shaft, did I say that right? Because my English is second language. So this is the shaft. It's pretty dry. I can feel it that it's really dry. So now I'm going to install the. All right, I'm ready. I'm ready to install the chuck securely. Oh my God, it's heavy. All right, let's see. There you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Did you see that? Oh no. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine right there. Oh my God, it's heavy. Put it right here. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna install the other things. I wanted to find a range for this, but it's too small. It's way too small. I can tighten it right here, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's put it together carefully. I should use the Loctite, but it's fine. I think I'm just gonna. I need to find the Loctite. I mean, purchase that Loctite. There you go. Make sure that it's okay. This is fine. I don't think it's gonna require that much torque. I don't think it's. Oh my God. Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. All right, I got it wrongly. That's the way the key's supposed to go. This is rubber. Now, for YouTube, this should be metal. So I need to show this. Let me see. This is Allen wrench. Yeah, it's metal. This is metal. This is metal, but there's some rubber here that is dampening the sound. So it's metal. So now I can do. So this is really tight. I can spin this freely. I can see the wobble. That's thing that's gonna be a problem. It's a little bit of wobble, but it's on this area, not here. I hope it's not gonna affect my workload. The final test is to turn it on to hear the noise. I want to hear. All right. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not that noisy. The wobble. All right. Let me see. One more time. Okay. Let me see. It wobbles just a little bit. So I don't think I need to remove the shock. Okay, let's go. Maximum hole. Those are the tooth. Okay, let me see. I don't think that bad at all. It's not that noisy. Let me see. One more time. That's the final one. I need to line up. Oh, that's why I did not tied it down, because I need to line up. This base has to be really perfectly aligned with the chuck. I forgot that. So I need to align this with this. I need to be so a straight bar so I can align this to make sure that model number 4208, that is the machine. So yeah, I need to look at this. Alright guys, this is it. I hope you like this video. Finally I got the machine ready to go. Alright. Yeah.